Hello everyone and welcome. Have you been wondering how it is a way for you to save YouTube Kids videos for offline viewing? Well, let's find out. Yes, you can actually save YouTube Kids videos for offline viewing within the YouTube Kids app itself, and here's how you do it. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube Kids app on your child's device. Then find the video you want to save. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the video. And once you've done that, select download video. Then you can also adjust the download quality because you might have the option to choose between standard, high, so adjust the download quality if you feel like it. It's optional. Then you wait for download to be complete, and that's it. So you need to note some things though. Once you download videos, it can be watched offline even without an internet connection, which is great. But the number of videos you can download may be limited. And it is generally recommended to download videos over a Wi-Fi connection to save on your mobile data. Then, download videos may need to be refreshed periodically to remain available for online viewing. By following these steps, you can easily save YouTube Kids videos for offline viewing, allow your child to enjoy their favorite content even when they don't have an internet connection. Now, note that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of the YouTube Kids app you're currently using. Also, always refer to the official YouTube Kids support documentation for the most up-to-date information. So, hope you found the video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for